Summer is here and I am here for it, but mostly just summer. Also decided to get a grill pan because also summer, and I want to grill some chicken and vegetables. Gosh dang it.
Ooh, it's my coffee. Yes. Coffee.
If you're asking yourself, Josh, why does this look like it's being filmed on a phone? That's because it is. And I want to make this video just to kind of prove a point that the only thing you need to create is your phone. People constantly ask me, hey Josh, what camera would you recommend? Whatever would you recommend? What microphone? What headphones? It doesn't matter. It's 2020. The only thing you need to create is sitting in your pocket. Most phones these days can film at 4K, 24 frames a second, 30, 60, maybe not 4K, at least 1080. Every phone is different, but most can film at 4K in some way, shape, or form. If not 4K, 1080p, and that's just fine because most people are watching content on their phone anyway, and that's at 1080p, even 720. So there's no more excuses to not create. All you need is your phone. You can shoot it and edit it on your phone. So in these times of quarantine, when you're like, ah man, what should I do? You can create on your phone. And there are many apps out there that allow you to not only film, but also edit. You got iMovie on the iPhone. You can get Premiere Rush on iPhone and Android. There's FilmicPro on the iPhone. Then there's a lot of other equivalents that I don't entirely know of. There's like Power Director or something on Android. Go do some Google research of like apps similar to FilmicPro, apps similar to iMovie on Android, apps similar to Premiere Rush for Android. So I decided I'm gonna challenge myself to film and edit this entire video on my phone. Now I don't have the iPhone 11 Pro like most other YouTubers do. I have the iPhone XS and it's just fine. So that being said, I have like 3 things I want to accomplish today. Maybe 5, but I've technically already accomplished one of them. I wanted to get a scale for weighing food, not because I think I'm obese, because I've lost a lot of weight. Not sponsored, but like thought I'd try weighing things out because like I'm really close to like a number I want to be at or I think I can accomplish. I've just been fluctuating. But anyway, that's one. I also need to get some new photos taken for my hopefully revamped website because I've been told that my current one sucks a lot. And I tried making it in WordPress and trying to give it that Squarespace vibe without using Squarespace, but I caved, and I'm gonna try using it in Squarespace, but I need some updated photos. So that's thing number 2, and I think I'm gonna try to finish my website today. All right, so I think I'm gonna get ready for a run. So, all right, just need to move the light that I'm using because there's not enough light to come through my window. And so yeah, just need to grab my headphones and be on my way. I decided that it was warm enough to do this, but also because the last time I did this, I felt very uncomfortable about it, but like I forced myself to do it. So I just felt like I needed an update of this. I'm more tired from that hill than normal. Had to basically do it like twice just to get the shot. No excuses to not create. 1 mile in, 3, 4 more down to go. Just to go, not to whatever. Mile 2! This behind me is the other hill I hate running up. It's probably like the second worst hill in my entire run. It's like the only second hill I have to deal with, really. Let's go. Let's do this. Halfway there. No excuses to not create. I will say though, the one nice thing about filming your runs is that you're more likely to hit your mile goal sooner than you anticipated. Mile 3. Mile 4. They're finally taking care of this. This has been marked up for like a while now. Good job. And mile 5. I think I got it done in just a little bit under than my best time. All right, so I'll shower later and some planning later. I'm gathering together some things to go shoot a couple photos to use on my updated website, and hopefully they'll turn out okay. I'll come back, edit those, edit another thing, and we'll just continue on with our day, and hopefully I can get my website done today. We'll see. Then I'll probably make a video about that as well. All right, let's go. All right, so continuing on with the phone only vlog, I have my camera set up against this wood background that I found, and hopefully that will be the background of a photo where it looks like I'm throwing something up in the air and catching it, and so I'm trying to do all this like manual focusing. I'll have to edit it all in Photoshop anyway because those are never real. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now while everyone stares at me. This is great. Alright, so while I was trying to finish up, a whole bunch of like police and fire trucks started going that way. So I don't know what's happening, but yeah, the other thing that's starting to concern me is the amount of clouds. I'm hoping it doesn't rain, so I think I'm just gonna collect all this and we're just gonna get out of here. Bye, backdrop. It hasn't rained yet, but I realized there was a photo I forgot, and I actually want to use it to replace the header on my website. So I set up the whole like self-take timer shot, but I think I got like maybe one, maybe two good ones that are possibly usable, but in the long run, I'm gonna need someone to take photos for me. Oh wait, no, is it actually? Oh crap, it's actually raining. Oh crap, oh crap. Okay, we're gonna, all right. So, I mean, it did seem to stop raining, but I'm definitely gonna stop taking photos because after a while, I just felt like they kept getting worse and worse and worse. We're continuing on with our phone vlog because no excuses. It's 2020. The only tool you need is in your pocket. Let's get this thing. All right. Got out of that situation. Doesn't look like it's gonna rain too much more. But yeah, got that done. So now we're gonna edit these photos and then just proceed with the rest of my night. I think I'm actually going to end this video here because everything else that I was planning on filming tonight or doing, it would just be like time-lapsey stuff that no one's gonna be interested in. Editing photos, updating my website, of which all that will have videos made for. And yeah, so that's just kind of a little bit of how I'm surviving quarantine at the moment. I was a little bit affected in that I was going to have my last leg checkup in a couple days after breaking it in July, but they had to cancel it, and we decided to reschedule it for a different time, and hopefully that one will still happen. So yeah, that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can give a big thumbs up. I'm trying some different things on the channel because we are in quarantine and it's like the perfect time to try some new things. But I also wanted to make this as a way to prove a point that you don't need fancy gear to make a video. All you need is your phone, an internet connection, and a good idea. I know I'm basically ripping off of a whole slew of other YouTubers, but I did want to make this video to showcase just how true it is and to kind of say that as a creator, I could practice what I preach. So yeah, that's all. I've rambled on. You can do all the things in the end card, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. In case you were wondering, I got more of this coffee because, oh, it's good. And this one that I wanted to try, it's like hazelnut maple syrup. Sounded really good. So excited to try those. Well, I've had this one to try it anyway. Bye.